January last week was a fantastic week for me because every day I have n number of clients coming in. Till the sun sets, I will be there in the academy.
Right. So if you would like to have a success story similar to Purvi Dalal ma'am, then just click on the link over here and enter our academy. Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sidharth Shah and I'm the CEO of Think and Grow Rich Academy. Today we have got a woman entrepreneur with us. And she's got not 1 decade, not 2 decades, but 3 decades, 30 years of experience in the advertising field. May I welcome Purvi Dalal. She's from Baroda, Gujarat, and she's got an amazing success story. What a rich experience in advertising she has got. बहुत जबरदस्त success story उनकी है. तो मैम थैंक यू सो मच आप हमारे इंटरव्यू में आए. Why don't you introduce आप करिए ना introduce अपने आप को please.
Yeah, definitely. Hello everybody. I'm Purvi Dalal from Baroda and I'm a graphic designer. I'm also a woman entrepreneur. And I'm in this field from last, as Sidharth Shah told, I'm in this field from last 30 years. Yeah, I'm doing well in this field.
Yeah. 30 years, ma'am, you don't look. Maybe you must have started when you were a kid. ऐसा कुछ लगता है मुझे.
Yeah, when I was in teens, I started.
Okay.
I started at 19.
Very nice, very nice. Superb. So, ma'am, you joined our program, I think, in the month of December or Jan?
In December, 7th December, I joined. I registered.
7th December, you registered, yes. And you have some success story to share about some goals. I heard that your invoices, you don't have time to sign the invoices now. Something is happening in your business. Can you just share?
Exactly. Last month, I had a great experience with the TAGR rituals and all the working I was doing. Last January last week was a fantastic week for me. And from there, I'm not stopping my signing of bills and everything because every day I have new n number of clients coming in, walk-in clients, and even the definite ones. And I am going on signing the bills. So I had a mark on that day in the last week that I was signing some around 100 number of bills in just 10 to 12 days. That is, in 15 days or something, this billing can be done. But this was in the only 4 to 5 days, all 100 numbers of bill were signed by me. And I was literally tired of signing. I was telling that, oh, I should change my sign so that it should be short.
Right.
Like that.
So that means the number of invoices have doubled, your turnover has doubled, you are now really busy and really very nice and happy for you, ma'am, because you got good experience. अभी लॉकडाउन में लोग परेशान है, business थोड़ा slow है, but over here और advertising तो लोग बहुत बाद में सोचेंगे करना, but right now you have got so much of business, you don't have time to sign the invoices. So that's really great. Tell me something, sir. Ma'am, you made some goals, some goal cards you made. Can you just share about something about that?
Yeah, I made all 4 goal cards and with very definite and very clear about the things. Like I have all the 4 goal cards here with me.
Wow.
I like obviously my financial goal is, as you told just now, is supposed to like finish.
Yes.
And I'm into one of the contribution goal which is near to my heart actually.
Yes.
Because I have made a goal to contribute my time.
Yes.
Time to the elderly.
Yes.
And that is I wanted to spend time with the old age home people, like all the elders, dadas and dadis in the old age home, who are literally sitting idle and remembering all the old things, and they want to talk to the people. Yes. And they don't get anybody to talk. Yes. So I had a goal. I made a goal of yeah, this is the one.
Wow.
The front side, and I made it like this, that I want to spend time every week for 1 hour at old age home. Wow. And I after making goal, it is so surprising that after making goal, I had a client who he was unknown to me, and he just started a old age home near to my office. And I got opportunity to ask him that can I come to your place and spend time with dadas and dadis there. So he told, yeah, you can come, because there's a different thing. I didn't want to spend money, because
Yes,
money anybody can give and go away. But
absolutely.
time is very precious,
Yes,
and they always feel like that. And I had many of the parents. I had two set of in-laws in my family, and
yes.
one granddaddy was also there. So I had five elder parents with me when I got married,
Yeah,
and today my parents are also there. So I know that they how they want their time to be spent with the family,
yes.
and that feeling is there, and this is going to happen very soon, and I'm going to enjoy this goal.
Super.
Yeah.
I think it's very very nice because see you very rightly said that पैसा तो कोई भी दे देगा. Money is like you just cut a check, but giving your precious time and getting connected to these people and really helping them, supporting them, and talking to them, that's what they want. So
Yeah.
that's really nice, and something amazing happens that when you make your goal card, things start to happen, and your client had an old age home made near your house, so now you can go easily. So these things start to happen. सो मैम ऐसे ही पैसा भी जल्दी आ रहा है आपके अकाउंट में आई हर्ड.
अरे बाप रे. पैसा पैसा इज कमिंग लाइक दैट कि ऑल एज यू नो, इतने सारे बिल्स बन रहे हैं एंड इतने सारे क्लाइंट्स है, वी हैव स्प्रेडेड आवर रीच, एंड द थिंग्स आर हैपनिंग. अभी ये हो रहा है कि क्लाइंट जैसे ही एड आती है ना, दे पुट द एनईएफटी अमाउंट इन द बैंक. I'm literally telling that please don't, means abhi ruko, at least wait for some time, then you give me my money.
Yeah.
It is surprising that it is happening. Lots and lots of inquiry is generating. The clients are coming in. Maybe I can say that behavior, our way of talking has been changed. Our gestures have been changed,
Yes.
and this is a thing. It is happening that every day, I think 10, 15 walk-ins are
Yes.
happening,
Yes.
and
You
पता नहीं कुछ तो हो रहा है.
you are enjoying the space. That's
Yeah.
important. So good.
Yeah.
So you don't need to know how it's going to come as long it's coming. It has to
Yeah.
come. Money in the bank. That's what we focus on. So I'm so happy for you, ma'am, that bills are being generated, the turnover has increased, the money is now coming in the bank so freely, and you are enjoying the space, you're enjoying the work, and that's the beauty of it. So tell us something that uh, I mean, what is so special about our program in terms of I mean, recorded videos you get, but apart from that, what else is there? Is it something the community, the weekly support? What do you think is a special thing which is?
God, that is so much things to I can tell about the community.
Yes.
See, I was a left brainer, as you told before also, that I was left brainer, and I argued that it will happen or no, the possibilities, the practicalness, and everything.
Yes.
And coming in the community, I've forgotten the left brainer thing, and now the community is helping out so well, and we have bonded so well, and every rituals are happening so nicely and so greatly. And every morning I run the reading book reading club, like in the morning, one of the group I lead.
Yes.
And in the morning at 6:30, I am so happy about the thing that I am moving around the India. People from Delhi, Noida, Chennai, Gujarat, Jaipur, Rajasthan. I mean, in the morning, the cup of the tea is with the friends around India.
Wow.
And this is wonderful experience. This is just wonderful experience.
Right.
And other rituals and other community, what we are doing, that MMA calls, mastermind calls, you give us the extra mile for that thing.
Yes.
And the teachables, I mean the lessons you give, and everything you have, you just holded our hands, I think.
Yeah.
And we are all growing. Whole of the community is growing.
Thank you. Thank you
It's
for
wonderful experience. Yeah.
Thank you. So this is the best part, ma'am, that when I started this academy, I had a vision, but like-minded people like you who trusted me, and now it's become like a great community, and we are all supporting. And I should thank you, ma'am, because you have been really helpful to the new members in our academy, being accountable to others. And somewhere it is showing in your results. आप ज़्यादा कर रहे हो, extra mile जा रहे हो, तो आपको भी कहाँ ना कहाँ से आ ही रहा है. तो
Definitely.
So
कहाँ ना कहाँ means surprising, even not even thought of the thing that ये यहाँ से भी आ सकता है, यहाँ से भी आ सकता है, and it happened.
yes.
Before also, when my parents gave me out of a surprise, my papa gave me a gift about one check, a huge amount check, and I was surprised. I shared before also that.
Yes, yes, yes.
So this is the way, like I'm giving first and I'm getting another way.
Amazing. That's the power. That's the power, ma'am. And I think this is just beginning. You are going to the next level now. Ma'am, if somebody is watching the interview on YouTube, हमारा वीडियो देख रहे हैं, आपका इंटरव्यू देख रहे हैं, वो सोचेंगे कि यार मैं पैसा डालूं कि ना डालूं, करूं कि ना करूं, what would be your advice? क्या आप बोलेंगे?
अरे don't think twice. डालना ही है पैसा. This is only the gesture you are like, the amount you are asking for. It's only a gesture. The life is going to change upside down. Whatever you have not thought of. I mean, पुराने जो hunches है और जो भी है वो पूरे निकल जा रहे हैं. And we being having one life.
Yes.
And इतना अच्छा लगेगा, इतना अच्छा feeling आएगा, and you will change totally, and everybody should and definitely join this program, and it is 100% proved program.
Thank you. Thank you for your kind words, ma'am. So before we close the interview, last final words, ma'am. You have been a giver in the academy. You lead the book reading club. Something for your future, something you want to share with us, something final words. कुछ आप बताना चाहेंगे about your life? Anything?
I have told everything, but yeah, final words are that till the sun sets,
yeah,
I will be there in the academy.
Wow. Thank you so much for that. Thank you for trusting us, ma'am.
And I definitely wish you all the best. And I want to meet you personally.
Sure. Even I'm looking forward. We'll soon meet up, ma'am, because yeah, we want like-minded people to bond and we connected with each other. You know, you're from the similar religious background, so we got connected otherwise also. So yes, definitely we are going to meet up, ma'am, and I'm so happy about your success. Wishing you grand success in the future also. May all your goals complete and achieve success, ma'am. Thank you so much for your time. This is Purvi Dalal, 30 years of business experience, woman entrepreneur from Baroda, going from the next level to the next level to the next level. पहले focus किया contribution पे, contribution goal पे focus किया, बाद में पैसा अपने आप आने लगा. Turnover बढ़ गया, bills ज़्यादा बन रहे, पैसा आ रहा है, the walk-ins are increasing, everything is falling in the place. Well, that's the power of Think and Grow Rich. If you would like to have a success story, like similar to Purvi Dalal ma'am, then just click on the link over here. Don't think and enter our academy and see how you can start to get the results with certainty. My name is Sidharth Shah. Thank you so much for watching this interview. Like करिए पूर्वी दलाल जी के interview को, subscribe करिए हमारे channel को, and share करिए उनका interview. And truly you can start to think and grow rich. Thank you so much, ma'am, once again for your time. Thank you so much. Thank you.